We're going to dive deep into the root causes of the stigma of mental health that's been perpetuated for decades.
I'm going to be talking about building resilience using mindful self-compassion, and I'll be giving you some real actionable tips and tools that you can use to take with you into your residency and beyond.
I'll be unpacking the science behind how writing has been proven to mitigate stress and burnout by providing a safe place for us to express our deepest thoughts and feelings.
We're going to explore some practical strategies for enhancing resilience in you as medical residents, helping you to navigate some of the intense pressures of your training with confidence and composure.
This lecture is for you if you are a physician or really anybody in any field that is looking to understand more about how to recognize the signs and symptoms of burnout.
And I also want to share with you 5 key things that I found as far as self-care that are going to really move the needle for you taking care of yourself and in turn taking better care of your patients.
This powerful session will provide key actionable takeaways to help you break that burnout cycle once and for all.
Healthy leaders, especially in medicine and in surgery, really embrace challenges, building that resilience and shaping their growth mindset to truly be meaningful in their professional actions, words, and deed.
I plan to impart numerous ideas or challenges, if you will, coaching, boundary setting, learning to say no, the value of community.
I work with residents all the time and teach you the tricks of the trade on how to negotiate your first contract or your second contract, or heck, to examine different contracts and tell you the pros and cons. And most importantly, I help you build your leverage.
I'll share simple, practical strategies for cultivating these connections quickly, even in the busiest of moments, so that you can strengthen your sense of well-being and purpose throughout residency, all while sharpening your clinical skills.
I will help you to understand the importance of cultivating self-care, to develop self-awareness, and to recognize challenges as catalysts for growth.